Hi, I'm Mike Strauss, owner and trainer for Turboprop Engine Training, LLC. This video is a review of an on-wing lebow procedure performed on a flat-rated 900 horsepower Casa-10 engine installation. This is an example of a blank lebow datasheet form used during the lebow ground run procedure. The engine was run to warm up the engine and the lebow, then shut down so that the lebow indicator, could be re-zeroed. Next, the engine was restarted, and with the prop on the locks, the power lever was advanced and stabilized at 100% RPM where the parameters on the top row were recorded. Next, the formula below was used as required to determine the foot-pound lebow target data for all the remaining power settings required and was entered into column 2. The prop was taken off the locks and the engine was run close to the lebow target torque of 762.4, where all the actual engine parameters were recorded into row 2. The engine was then run one target point at a time until all the data was recorded on the form. Note the gearbox pressure is converted from inches of mercury to PSI by dividing by 2. Then the negative gearbox PSI is added to the raw PSI to obtain the raw delta P in the last column. The actual lebow foot-pound torque and the raw delta P are plotted on a graph. This is a plot of the 7 data points recorded on the lebow run. The maintenance manual tells you to plot this data and determine the pressure at these 2 foot-pound settings, which for this particular engine model are 250 and 2972 foot-pounds of torque. Note, we determined the raw delta torque pressure is 12.22 psi at 250 foot-pounds and 58.72 psi at 2972 foot-pounds from this graph. The aircraft percent of torque indication at 2972 foot-pounds is 100%, and the indication at 250 foot-pounds is 8.4%. You're now ready to perform the torque transducer calibration using these 2 lebow calibration values. Note the formulas used during this process are listed above on the graph. Remove the lebow test equipment, then ground run and leak check the engine. This is the end. Thanks for watching this video.